this is Sheetal from Life with She. Welcome back to my channel. So friends, actually I don't have much of a space to keep different mini planters. So what I do, I keep on mix and matching plants in one big pot. So it becomes easier for me to keep them. It saves a lot of space. So I keep on doing that. So today I was doing one more container. So I thought to share that with you all. So here I am, and now let's start. So I'm going to shift the camera focus towards my table now. Friends, I'm going to put as many plants as possible in this terracotta pot. First I am going to cover the drainage hole with the charcoal piece, and then I will put little bit of soil, and then I'll try to fix plants in that terracotta pot, as I think when plants are in crowd they grow better because they get company of other plants. And I'm going to put most of the plants which are having the same requirements except Schefflera. Schefflera is little bigger also, and it needs water more compared to other plants. Other plants are from succulent family, and when you make crowd of plants in one pot, then chances of root rot also becomes very less, because there are so many roots to suck up the water from your pot, so you can't overwater such pots. So let's start. I will first fix Schefflera into it. Before that, let me loosen up the roots from below, and I can see a few stones over here which I kept in the pot about drainage hole. I will remove them, and I will just loosen up the roots little bit, and I will fix the plant into it. Here goes Schefflera. Next, I'm going to add Sansevieria, that is snake plant. I'm trying to add plants according to their height. Actually, this snake plant is not going to stay this shorter, but for few days I can keep them together. And this snake plant, I have propagated it from mother plant which I have, and with a leaf cutting. And I got two plants from one piece of leaf. One is planted in some other pot, and this one I'm going to add in this arrangement. So let's add Sansevieria. And it's done now. Let's try to add this tricolor peperomia, and it is pretty big. I hope it will fit into the pot. So let's take it out from the pot. And actually it has one black knight also. It's a mix of two plants, and it's not fitting here. I'm trying to separate them, but forget it, I will put everything together. I'm just trying to stuff everything together in this small pot, and here it goes. One leaf broke. I can propagate that leaf, so no problem, no worries. So still I have space, and I'm going to fit vining plants over there. One is this beautiful variegated lipstick plant which I'm going to fit over here. And I just want to make a beautiful color combination in one pot, and different types of plants also. So I have added one shrub, one vining plant, one snake plant, one is like proper big plant. So here goes lipstick plant, but actually it needs more space, so I'm trying to loosen up a little bit of its soil, and I will then. So finally it's fixed into the pot. Can you see some space over here where I'm going to add this beautiful variegated Dischidia, and it will be a perfect fit for that place, and a superb color it will add, variegated color. So let's add this also. Here it goes. It is out from its pot, and It has got a new home also. And you know, when you make a crowd of plants, they become competitive while growing also, and with competition they will start growing more. That's my, you can call me superstitious, but yeah, that's my understanding, and my I believe, I love to believe in that fact. You know, guys, with the excitement of fitting so many plants in one pot, actually, this pot is like 6 or 7 inches wide, and in that pot, I have fixed around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. And with the excitement and pushing everything to fit, I broke a new growth of the lipstick plant. So I'm feeling a little bit sad, but still it's fine. Lipstick plant grows faster and it's going to recover that loss as well. So here it goes. I hope it's looking nice. I can see, for me it's beautiful. Oh, look at that. So bad. So bad. And yeah, I have been propagating this peperomia and it is well rooted. So I am going to plant that also. So it will add a little bit of more color. I'll be adding it backside. I have space over here. I'll be adding it over here. But I need a little bit of soil, which I'm going to reuse from this peperomia pot. Okay, and it's almost done. I doubt it will be visible with the snake plant because it grows big. That's Sansevieria. It's going to grow big. So it's fixed over here, and I'll just add extra soil. And I am missing everything. I'm just dirtying my balcony. It has become dirty. Thanks to me. What I'm doing right now. But I love doing this. I will clean it later on. I can do that. So there you go. This planter is ready. I hope it's looking nice. I can't see it. Here you go. This one is going for propagation. It's going to grow into a beautiful plant later. And I'm going to keep this back propagation. Let me just adjust the camera and check. Looking good. It's full of plants and it's looking beautiful. I loved it. I love the look. And yeah, friends, I wanted to tell you all that I have started making succulent arrangements also, and I am planning to, in fact I have started selling them also. So if you stay in Pune and you are interested in buying, then you can visit my Instagram, where you will get to see updates of new arrangements and you can order. This one is not for sale. This one is, I'm making this for me. I love to make beautiful arrangements with them and I love people to have them. So I have started this. If you can see the arrangement, these two different colors vines. Then I have this peperomia which is not visible properly, tricolor. It's visible from here, you can see over here. Then Schefflera and my snake plant. All are there, all are there, all are there. I hope you liked it. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And you guys take care. I'll take your leave now and we'll meet you again in some other video. Till then, bye. See you. Take care.